How to fix Instagram notifications not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Instagram notifications not working. So before we begin, if you're new here, just subscribe to the channel and watch till the end. Now let's begin. First, you'll need to check if notifications are enabled both within the app and also on your phone system settings. So first, also check if do not disturb mode is not on. So turn off do not disturb mode if it is on. You can do so from your control center as well. If you do not disturb option here, disable that. And after you've done that, try restarting your phone. So that's for the end. Let's not restart it now and check if our notification settings are in place. So first, let's move on to our Instagram app. Tap on it. Go to your profile on the bottom right. And after you're on your profile, what you'll then need to do is go to your settings by tapping on the three lines on the top right. After you do that, head over to the notifications option. So here you'll find the notifications option. Just make sure all of these are enabled. So head over to anyone. So let's go to messages and just turn it on. So here you can see messages, nothing is turned on. So just turn everything on here, whichever you require, and do the same for each and every options. And after that, you might want to go to your settings of your Android device. Go to notifications, then go to app notifications. From here, search for Instagram. Let me just tap on all apps. Then from here, search for Instagram and enable notification for Instagram. And if after doing all of that, it does not work, just restart your device, press on the volume up button and power button together, and tap on restart. And doing that will fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.